Hello guys, welcome back to TvsTreeTechnologies. If you are watching this channel for first time, please do subscribe this channel to get latest updates when we post new videos. Also, please like and share the videos if you wish to support us to create more videos. So here you can click on the subscribe button in order to subscribe our channel so that you will be not missing our videos when we post. Okay. So in the previous session, I have explained about overview of Linux operating system and what are all the differences between Linux and Windows operating system. So in this session, we will see which software need to install to work with the Linux. So which software need to install and what are all the installation steps we have to follow and what are all the details we have to give in order to interact with the Linux operating system. Okay. So what software we need is we need the PuTTY software in order to work with the Linux operating system. Even we do have other softwares as well, but I'll prefer to use PuTTY. Okay, you can type for download PuTTY for Windows. Here we will get so many links in order to install the PuTTY download. You can click on the first link. So again here you can go to download PuTTY. Here you will get package files, binary files, source code, other things, but since my laptop is a Windows 64-bit operating system, so I'll download this version 64-bit into 86. Okay, click on this. This will download the software. Once it is downloaded, go to your downloads folder. So in order to install this software, what you can do is you can just do double click on this software. Okay, I just did the double click. So now it will ask, okay, the prompt will open in order to install the software. You can click on next. So it will ask you to give the path. So where you want to save this software once it is downloaded. So I am giving the program files path. Now click on next. So here you can just click on install. Okay, click on finish. This one, it installed the PuTTY software now, so it's taking time. Let's wait. Okay, so it has created the readme file for the PuTTY software. Anyway, we don't need that. So now the PuTTY software is installed. Okay, in order to open that, here you can click you can search for PuTTY. So this is the PuTTY software. You can open that. Here it is asking details and all, right? So host name is nothing but the Linux server name you have to give. So which Linux server you want to work with, and here you are seeing the port numbers also. So here port 22 means if you want to work with the SFTP SFTP server, you have to give the port 22. If you want to work with FTP server, you have to give the port as 21. Okay. So if you have the server details, here you can give the host name and give the port number, and you can just click on open. So this will connect to your Linux server. Once it's connected, it will ask you to give the username and password. Give the username and password so that you will be connected to the Linux server. Okay, this is the basic, this is the overview of what software we need and what are all the steps we need to follow in order to work with the Linux operating system. Okay, so in upcoming session we will be covering all the topics on Linux. So please do subscribe this channel to get updates on our videos when we post, so that you will be not missing any of our videos. Thank you.